VirGo full kit bag. This is the upper case. Opening the belt pouch to take out the launcher board PDA. The next pouch is for the smart glass and its controller. This is controller. This is smart glass. Now opening the main compartment. Here you can see the smart helmet. This is the spare battery pack provided along with the kit for extended battery backup. And this is the smart helmet board which communicates with the PDA. Then on left hand side you can see the zoom camera. On the right hand side you can see the LED torch. On top of the helmet there is battery pack, the battery backup, and this comprises of smart helmet. Well, this is the full kit. Okay, and this additional pouch is for battery charger adapter for helmet battery pack. Okay, on. To start with, the launcher board is turned on. Now the smart glass, the controller is connected with the glass, and that's also turned on. Now the helmet, the battery is connected to the launcher board, and that's also turned on. Yes, it started. Okay, now the launcher board will be connected to smart glass and smart helmet through wide eye. Helmet, which is already connected through wide eye to the launcher board, now is getting equipped with the smart glass. The smart glass controller is kept in the front pocket of the belt pouch, and now is ready with the SOP execution. Connecting the headphone. Launch the meeting. Whatever is seen on the screen of the PDA launcher board, he can see in front of his eyes, right in front of his eyes, in the screen of smart glass.
Next.